Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ahmad Farashan Hilal, and on this video we will gonna learn about BGP attribute origin. So origin is an attribute that is used when BGP choose the path that will be used to send data package. So without any further ado, let's do the configuration. So we will build a topology like this. We will use 5 router, and we will connect each other. Okay, we will have 5 router in there and connect it with the cable. And yeah, we will gonna start the configuration in the first router, and don't forget to turn it on, all the router. Okay, wait for the router be ready. It takes time. Okay, let's mark this is the 12-12-12 network. Wait, and this will be 23-23 network. And okay, this will 34. And the last will be 45. The last link will be 45 network. Okay, let's do the configuration with the first router. So make sure the first configuration is change the host name, so we will not be confused when there is many amounts of router. Host is R1, and we will do some basic configuration like addressing, and we will use 2 IP loopback in here. So let's do in the interface E00. Okay, no shutdown. Make sure to activate the interface and give an IP address. IP address is 12.12.12.1, and the silent mask is /24. And change, and we will gonna build an IP loopback is 1.1.1.1 and 11.11.11.11. Interface loopback 0 and give the IP 25 and make another IP address. IP at 11.11.11.11. So we will advertise. We will advertise network 12 and interface loopback 0 into an EIGRP, and network 11 to we'll advertise it into an RIP, routing RIP. So okay, let's enter the EIGRP configuration is router EIGRP, and the AS number is 1, and advertise it network 12 and network 1. network 1111, and we will advertise 11 network into an RIP router RIP version 2, and advertise the 11 network. And after that we will move to the second router. The basic configuration first, just like addressing, change host name, and make and advertise it into a routing protocol. No? Wait. Yeah, in the first step is make sure you do some hostname configuration. And go to interface E00, shutdown to activate the interface and give the IP address. And we will do the same thing with Ethernet 001. Make the IP address the network 23, interface E01, no shutdown, and give the IP address is 2323. And we will make an IP loopback. So every router will have an IP loopback. This IP loopback is 1.1.1, and the second router IP loopback is 2.2.2, and it's 3.3.3, and 4.4.4, and 5.5.5. Okay, like that. Okay, let's continue. Interface loopback 0. No, okay, I give the IPs, IP 2.2.2. And we will advertise all the network that second routers have into an EIGRP routing. Router EIGRP1 network. So because second router have this network and that IP loopback, so we'll advertise it. Is 12.12.12.2 network 23.23.23.1, and the IP loopback is 22.22.22. Okay, like that. And after that we will move to third router configuration. It's loading. Yeah, it sometimes takes a long time, and if after that it's already done the loading, just do the same thing like second router and the first router is hostname configuration. Hostname R3, and do an addressing in interface 01 and interface 00. E00, no shutdown, IP address 23.23.23.2, and don't forget to the subnet mask. And do the same thing with interface E01. Interface E01, no shutdown, IP address 34.1, 25.55, 255.0, and make an interface IP loopback. Interface loopback 0. Wait, interface loopback 0. IP address 3.3.3, 20.155, 255, 55, 55, and advertise it all the network into routing EIGRP. Router EIGRP 1 network 34.1 network 3.3.3. Okay, and after that we will move to the fourth router configuration. and do the same thing like the previous router. Give a configuration, I mean addressing, and advertise it into a router EIGRP. So basically all this router just addressing and give it into a router area GRP, except the first router that IP loop back into an RIP. Okay, if the process loading is done, do the same thing like the previous router, some hostname configuration, host R4, and addressing based on the topology is 34 and 45. Interface E00, no shutdown. Wait, interface E00, no shutdown. This IP address is 34.2, and don't forget the subnet mask. Interface E01, no shut. Interface E01, no shutdown. The IP address is 45.1. And make the IP loopback, interface loopback 0, IP address 4.4.4 because this is the fourth router, and advertise all the network into routing EIGRP. Okay, router EIGRP network 34.2. Wait, I do some typo in here. Network 45.1, network 4.4.4. Okay, and after that let's move to the last router, is the fifth router. Do exactly the same thing, but just change the IP address like the previous router. No, okay, enable, configure terminal, host is R5, and address in interface E00, interface E00, no shutdown to activate it, and give the IP address is the 44.45.45.2. And don't forget the subnet mask. And okay, router, first router and the fifth router have two IP loopback that we will do in here is interface loopback 0. This is the first IP loopback, is IP address 5.5.5, and the second IP loopback is 55.55. IP address 55, 55, 55, 55. Wait, I did some typo in here. Okay, and we will advertise all the network except 55 into routing JRP. Router JRP 1 network 45.2 network 5.5.5.5. So why we will not advertise the 11 network and the 55 network? Because we will do an BGP configuration in there. So let's move to the first router again. So we will make a BGP configuration in here. And enable configure terminal router BGP, and give the AS number is I will do 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the AS number, and do some netboard configuration and give the AS remote AS. Then so the neighbor neighbor is, so the neighbor is 12.12.12.2. This IP, the neighbor is next hop IP is 12.12.12.2, and no, I mean the neighbor is the IP loopback in router, the second router. So the neighbor is 2.2.2, and remote AS is true. Okay, remote AS, say I do some typo in here. Remote AS 1 2 3 4 5, and after that and neighbor 2.2.2 and update source. We will do update source from loopback 0, and then for network 2.2.2 we'll do some root reflector client configuration. Network 2.2.2 root reflector client, and for network 3.3.3 we will some remote AS like before. Network 3.3.3 remote AS 1 2 3 4 5, and like before is we will gonna do update resource neighbor 2.2.2 update source update source from loopback 0, and after update source like before we'll root reflector client neighbor I mean network 3.3.3 update source loopback 0, because we already done the configuration 2.2.2 update source loopback 0 is already, and after update source we will root reflector client neighbor 3.3 root reflector client, and do the same thing with neighbor 5.5.5.5 neighbor 5.5.5 remote AS 1 2 3 4 5 neighbor for 5.5.5 update source and root reflector, update source loopback 0, neighbor 5.5.5, root reflector client. And we will redistribute RIP into the BGP configuration. Redistribute RIP. So why we redistribute? Because the previous we not advertise the second loopback in first router into an AJRP, so we'll redistribute into BGP so they all connected. Okay, let's move to the BGP configuration in second router. So in the second router we will do the same thing, but it's less than the first router because router BGP router BGP 12345, neighbor 1.1.1. What I a bit forgot is remote AS, remote AS and update source after that. Remote AS 12345, neighbor 1.1.1, update source loopback 0. And there is a notification that BGP agency has been up, so it means that already connected by their neighbor. So, and after that, after remote AS and update source, we will change to router 3 with the same configuration. And router BGP configuration terminal. Configuration terminal, router BGP 12345, neighbor is 111, neighbor 111, remote AS 12345, remote AS 12345, neighbor 1.1.1, update source from loopback 0. And there's another notification that he already connected into neighbor 1.1.1 agency. Okay, let's move to the fourth router configuration. So in the fourth router we have different configuration a bit. Check this out. Router BGP 1 2 3 4 5. And the neighbor is not only 1.1 but there is 55 neighbor. Neighbor 45.1, remote AS 12345. So I made a mistake. It's not 0.1 but 0.2 because 0.1 is his IP. You cannot do neighbor by your own IP. Okay, after that, and we'll do some neighbor for neighbor 1.1.1, but we'll do some next hop self. Next hop self. I do some typo in here. Next hop self. Neighbor 1. And okay, after that we change to the router 5 configuration. So we will do the same as router BGP 1 2 3 4 5, and the neighbor is 45 as the next hop is the fourth router IP address. Neighbor 45.1 remote AS 1 2 3 4 5, and neighbor update source and update for neighbor 1.1.1 update source rollback 0. And network 55, and we advertise the second loopback is network 55.55. Oh, we will need a mask in here. Mask. Okay. And let's check the show IP BGP in the third router. Do show IP BGP. So okay, there is a network 11.11.11 in here. So that means our configuration are completed, are successful. So I will explain a bit in here. There is an I logo that means that root from root BGP itself, and E that means is EGP, that roots from EGP routing protocol, but there is no E in here, so there is no EGP in this routing protocol. And question mark, that means is another routing protocol except EGP and IGP, so there is only IGP in here. Nah, okay, and there is a question mark like same in here, the path, so that means is outside EGP and IGP, because this is an EIGRP routing protocol. And that's all for this video. I hope you can get some lesson from BGP attribute origin configuration, and I'm sorry for my mistake and my bad English. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.